My name is Thomas Anwar Al-Hadi. I'm from Washington State, and also I'm from South Sudan or Sudan, from Mabaan tribe. And I have a poem. This poem is about Mabaan people during Sudan Civil War in Sudan. We saw the blood that was shed in Sudan, and it was ours. It was Mabaan blood. Again, we saw the sun rose up from the east early morning, and we rose up too. Then peace and love came in Sudan and South Sudan. We got no freedom. We got no freedom. We got no freedom. We got no freedom. Then generations came in South Sudan. We still got nothing, 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 nothing from it until now.